Growing lavender can be a beautiful addition to any garden and can also offer a range of purposes. In this video, we will explain how to grow lavender and the different ways in which it can be enjoyed. When it comes to planting lavender, the ideal time is in the spring or autumn, where conditions are just right. Lavender typically prefers a sunny location with well-draining soil. It is essential to prepare the soil thoroughly before planting, adding in compost or soil conditioner to improve the fertility of the soil. When it comes to watering, it is important to avoid overwatering as this can lead to root rot, particularly seen in poorly drained soil. Lavender thrives on less frequent watering but with a great deal of depth. A deep soak once every 2 weeks should be sufficient. However, it's recommended to check the soil every day to ensure it's still moist. If the top inch of soil is dry, it is time to water. Lavender generally thrives in small spaces, and it's suited to containers. One plant will need around 45 cm by 45 cm. It takes around 2 years for lavender to mature significantly and begin flowering. Once the buds are open, essential oil production begins. Harvesting can occur as soon as the first flowers bloom, but the best time is just before they are in full bloom. It's essential to keep the flowers and stems long as this helps it dry correctly. The most common problems encountered when growing lavender are root rot, overwatering, and poor soil drainage. Additionally, plant pests like spider mites, slugs, and snails can also pose a major threat to lavender. To avoid these issues, prune frequently, minimize watering, and maximize sunlight exposure. Lavender thrives in warm and dry climates. The extremely low temperature range is between -6 and -9, allowing it to grow anywhere between 500 and 1,500 meters in altitude. The most common use of lavender is for its essential oils. These can be used for making candles, potpourri, and other crafts. Additionally, lavender is known for its gentle sedative properties, easing anxiety, and inducing sleep. It is also a prominent ingredient in perfume due to its subtle, floral scent. Lavender is edible, and its leaves can be used in cooking. They are a delicate addition to salads, stews, and roasted vegetables. Additionally, lavender can be used to make tea, adding a sweet and soothing flavor. In conclusion, growing lavender is an easy process. With just a little bit of knowledge and care, anyone can add this beautiful and fragrant herb to their garden and reap the many benefits it offers.